I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
For every black and red version of a Jordan shoe, such as this one, I, on the other hand, always prefer this version of the shoe. It doesn't matter which Jordan it is. I prefer the black and royal version of that particular Jordan. I know that is the unpopular opinion. Even in other models, such as these, the black cement 3s with that hint of red there, I prefer this version of this shoe. Some people call this now the broil, the black and royal colorway. This is my preferred colorway of most of the Jordan lineup. It just looks better to me. I'm a little biased. My favorite color is blue. But if I'm choosing between the two models, I'm going to pick the blue version every time. Even as it relates to these. The black and red 4s. I actually love this shoe. This is one of the only pairs of Jordans in my collection that I've actually bought 2 times. But I sold the other pair. But be that as it may, even though I bought this particular Jordan 2 different times, I still prefer this version over this version. This black and royal version is one of my favorite Jordan 4s. Just like it better. I just think it looks better than the black and red. I know that is unpopular opinion. Look at the quality on these. There are some Jordan models that I don't even own the black and red version of, such as these Jordan 12s. I do not own the Flu Games, but I do own the Blue Games, because to me the black and blue looks better. Alright? Even in going into this shoe, the Jordan 18s, I don't own the black and red Jordan 18. I do own a red and black Jordan 18, but not the one that is this same colorway with the red bottom. I do not own that. I only own the black and royal version. Very dope shoe. Even as it relates to something like this, Jordan 13 Retro, black, true red, and white. Even as it relates to something like this, which you all know 13s are one of my favorite models, and I absolutely love this shoe. I beat this one up, it looks like. Worn this one a lot when I was over in Spain. But this is a very dope shoe. But bringing us to why we're here today, I don't prefer it more than what's in today's pickup. Alright, so as you see here, boom, you all familiar with that box? Jordan box. This is the Air Jordan 13 Retro, black, hyper royal, black and white, size 14, of course, and retail was $190 on these boys. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have your Jordan 13 and that black and royal colorway. Man, this is a thing of beauty right here. This is a thing of beauty. You have your Jordan there at the bottom, and then on the reverse side of that it has your 13. Very dope. Royal Jumpman on the black tongue. Man, that suede around the midsole there. Let me take the shoe tree out of here to see how soft that leather is. Pretty decent leather. Not the softest, but also not real stiff either. Very nice. Got your reflective 23 there. You go ahead and take that sticker off. Boom. Alright. Your reflective 2-3. The Jumpman in the center there. Very dope. On the inside, you got that Royal Jumpman. Alright. Here's the bottom. White, royal, black. Got your hits of the carbon fiber plates there on the bottom. Just the overall very dope shoe. This was the last Jordan that was really on my radar for 2020, and I just had to have these for sure. Had to have these. I was not gonna miss out on these. I struck out on the sneakers app, but Shoe Palace held me down. Even with their ridiculous priced shipping, they still held your boy down. So just wanted to show you all that I do have these in-house. I did not miss out on these. I know my review is late, but I did get them. So thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.